From the dawn of humanity, we have gazed at the stars and wondered, why are we here? This question has been a constant companion to our species, driving us to seek answers in the vast expanse above. The night sky, with its twinkling stars and mysterious patterns, has always been a source of fascination and inspiration. Is there some greater purpose, some guiding hand behind the existence of everything we see and know? The cosmos, with its seemingly infinite expanse, beckons us to ponder our place within it. Are we mere specks in an indifferent universe, or is there a deeper meaning to our existence? This fundamental question, does God exist, has fueled countless philosophical debates and theological treatises. Great minds throughout history have grappled with this enigma, seeking to understand the nature of divinity and its role in the cosmos. From ancient philosophers to modern thinkers, the quest for understanding continues. It has inspired awe-inspiring art, music, and literature. The beauty and mystery of the universe have been captured in countless works of art, from the majestic symphonies of Beethoven to the intricate brushstrokes of Van Gogh. These creations reflect our deep-seated desire to connect with something greater than ourselves. And while science may not have all the answers, it can offer a unique perspective on this age-old inquiry. Through the lens of science, we can explore the universe in ways our ancestors could only dream of. Telescopes and microscopes allow us to peer into the farthest reaches of space and the tiniest building blocks of life. By peering into the vastness of the cosmos and examining the intricate mechanisms of life, we can gather clues and insights that might illuminate our place in the universe and the possibility of a divine creator. Each discovery, whether it be a distant galaxy or a microscopic organism, adds a piece to the puzzle of our existence. Our journey begins with the universe itself. The cosmos, with its boundless wonders, is the stage upon which the drama of existence unfolds. From the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, every element plays a part in the grand tapestry of creation. Where did it come from? How did it begin? These questions have intrigued humanity for millennia. The origins of the universe are shrouded in mystery, but through scientific inquiry, we have begun to unravel the story of our cosmic beginnings. For centuries, these questions were relegated to the realm of mythology and religion. Ancient cultures crafted elaborate myths to explain the creation of the world, attributing it to the actions of gods and supernatural forces. These stories provided a framework for understanding the universe and our place within it. But in the 20th century, science provided us with a groundbreaking model for the origin of the universe, the Big Bang Theory. This revolutionary idea transformed our understanding of the cosmos, offering a scientific explanation for the birth of the universe. This theory, supported by a wealth of observational evidence, suggests that the universe originated from an extremely hot, dense state, approximately 13.8 billion years ago. The Big Bang marked the beginning of time and space, setting the stage for the evolution of the cosmos. From this singularity, space itself expanded, giving rise to the galaxies, stars, and planets we observe today. The universe continues to evolve, with new stars being born and galaxies forming. Our quest to understand this ever-changing cosmos is a testament to our enduring curiosity and desire to uncover the mysteries of existence. The Big Bang Theory is one of the most successful scientific theories ever proposed. It has fundamentally changed our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It explains the expansion of the universe, a phenomenon that has been observed through the redshift of distant galaxies. This redshift indicates that galaxies are moving away from us, suggesting that the universe is continuously expanding. The theory also accounts for the abundance of light elements like hydrogen and helium, which were formed in the first few minutes after the Big Bang during a period known as nucleosynthesis. These elements are the building blocks of stars and galaxies. Another cornerstone of the Big Bang Theory is the existence of the cosmic microwave background radiation, a faint afterglow of the Big Bang itself. This radiation fills the universe and provides a snapshot of the infant universe, just 380,000 years after the Big Bang. This radiation, discovered in 1964 by Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson, provides compelling evidence for the hot, dense state of the early universe predicted by the Big Bang model. Their discovery earned them the Nobel Prize in Physics. It's like finding an ancient artifact that confirms a historical event, only in this case, the artifact is light from the beginning of time. This light has traveled for billions of years to reach us, carrying with it the story of the universe's birth. However, the Big Bang Theory doesn't answer all our questions. It leaves us pondering the ultimate origins of the universe and the nature of time and space. It describes the evolution of the universe from a very early stage, but it doesn't tell us what caused the Big Bang or what, if anything, existed before it. These are some of the most profound questions in cosmology. Some physicists believe that the universe could have originated from a quantum fluctuation, a random event in the fabric of space-time. This idea suggests that the universe could have sprung into existence from a state of nothingness. Others propose the existence of a multiverse, an infinite collection of universes, each with its own unique properties. In this scenario, our universe is just one of many, each with different physical laws and constants. While these ideas are intriguing, they remain speculative and require further investigation. The quest to understand the true nature of the universe continues, driven by human curiosity and the desire to uncover the mysteries of our cosmic origins. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, we encounter another intriguing puzzle: the fine-tuning of the universe. This concept has fascinated scientists and philosophers alike for decades, if not centuries. The fundamental constants of nature, such as the strength of gravity, the electromagnetic force, and the mass of subatomic particles, appear to be exquisitely balanced for the emergence of life. These constants are so precise that even the slightest deviation could have rendered the universe lifeless. Even slight variations in these constants would have resulted in a vastly different universe, one where stars could not form, atoms would not hold together, or life as we know it would be impossible. For instance, if the force of gravity were just a tiny bit stronger or weaker, stars like our sun might never have formed, and without stars, planets and life would be an impossibility. This apparent fine-tuning has led some to propose the Anthropic principle, which suggests that the universe is fine-tuned for life because we are here to observe it. This principle posits that the universe must have the properties necessary for life, otherwise we wouldn't be here to notice them. In other words, if the universe were not fine-tuned for life, we wouldn't be here to wonder about it. This idea can be both humbling and mind-boggling, as it places our existence in a very specific context within the vast cosmos. While this principle is logically sound, it doesn't necessarily imply a divine creator. It merely states that our universe has the conditions necessary for life because we are here to observe those conditions. It could simply be that we live in a universe that allows for our existence, and there may be countless other universes with different constants and different outcomes. This leads us to the fascinating concept of the multiverse. Another possible explanation for the fine-tuning problem is the existence of a multiverse. The multiverse theory suggests that our universe is just one of many, each with its own unique set of physical laws and constants. If there are an infinite number of universes, each with its own set of physical laws and constants, then it's not surprising that we find ourselves in a universe that supports life. In such a scenario, the existence of a life-supporting universe is not a miracle but a statistical inevitability. It's simply a matter of probability. In an infinite multiverse, every possible combination of physical constants would exist somewhere, and we just happen to be in one of the universes where the conditions are right for life. Of course, the multiverse hypothesis, like the Anthropic principle, remains speculative and requires further evidence to support it. Both ideas push the boundaries of our understanding and challenge us to think deeply about the nature of our existence and the cosmos. Cosmological Argument Introduction. The cosmological argument is a philosophical reasoning that explores the existence of God based on the nature of the universe itself. It begins with a fundamental observation. Everything that exists has a cause. Everything around us seems to have a cause. For instance, if we see a tree, we understand that it was caused by a seed, which in turn came from another tree. This chain of causation leads us to question the origin of the universe itself. The universe is not self-existent, it had a beginning. According to modern cosmology, particularly the Big Bang theory, the universe began approximately 13.8 billion years ago. This raises the question, what caused the universe to come into existence? The argument posits that there must be a first cause, an uncaused cause that initiated everything else. This is often identified as God. Unlike everything else that is contingent and requires a cause, this first cause is necessary and exists outside the confines of time and space. Philosophical support. Philosophers like Thomas Aquinas and more recently William Lane Craig have articulated this argument. They argue that rejecting the idea of a first cause leads to an infinite regress, which is philosophically problematic. In summary, the cosmological argument suggests that the existence of the universe necessitates a cause beyond itself, which many identify as God. It invites us to reflect on the origins of everything we know and consider the possibility of a transcendent source. Teleological argument. The teleological argument, often referred to as the argument from design, asserts that the complexity and order in the universe imply the existence of a designer. This argument draws our attention to the intricate details of the natural world. Order and complexity. When we look at nature, we observe remarkable complexity and order. For example, the precise conditions that allow life to exist on Earth, such as the distance from the sun, the composition of the atmosphere, and the water cycle, all suggest a finely tuned environment. Analogy of design. A common analogy used is that of a watch. If we find a watch on the beach, we instinctively understand that it was designed by someone due to its intricate mechanisms and purpose. Similarly, the universe exhibits features that seem to point to intentional design rather than random chance. Biological systems. The complexity of biological organisms, such as the human eye or the process of DNA replication, showcases an extraordinary level of intricacy. Proponents argue that such complex systems are unlikely to have arisen purely through random mutations and natural selection. Philosophical support. Thinkers like William Paley have famously articulated this argument, emphasizing that the existence of design in the universe implies a designer. Modern proponents often cite advancements in science that reveal even deeper layers of complexity, further supporting the notion of intentional design. In essence, the teleological argument invites us to consider the evidence of design in the universe. It suggests that the intricate order and complexity we observe are best explained by the existence of a purposeful creator. God, thank you for watching. If you like this content, please support our channel by smashing the like button. Also, please subscribe and share. See you in the next video.